Welcome, student. Here is the first lesson, that is in our life in a society. So, how this society develops, how this society develops. We must, we need to know about the society. Uh, so let us read this point, that is a stable and secure community life is necessary for the development of the individual as well as society. So it is from the ancient period or a Stone Age period, the whole human beings are in the development process. Okay, from the Stone Age, when the man realized that the living in a group provides security, man came together to develop an organized way of life. This was one of the main motivations for a creation of society. Living in society, man felt the need for rules to help with the smooth clothing, with the smooth functioning of day to day matter. The man is a social by nature. We all basically likes to live with one another in each other's company with people around us. Living with people not only makes us happy, it is also our need. So here are the picture, and it shows the interdependence of the people. So in the first, at the Stone Age, he needs a wife and to develop his family. Uh, he going to going for hunting in Stone Age. So he makes the weapons and uses to wearing the skin of the animals like deer, etc. Here is the second is the well of the village, and the people who does the animal husbandry, that is cow, bull, etc. They develop the skill of agriculture, and this is the modern era through which we come to know about the using different devices with which we live our life. Okay. So here the man has a social animal and need or dependency on each other. As he know agriculture, the agricultural culture develops in the whole world. So the settlements are grown, the villages are come into exist after some time. When the modern era started, that villages or agricultural based industries turned into modern society, modern city and modern villages. Uh, now we are living now we are living in these villages or societies. Okay. So we also develop the family relations with the member of the family with each others in the family members. So we shares the common feeling or a sharing in the family. This is when the other members of the family become sad, we also become sad. When the family members of other family members become happy, we also be happy. So in a such a way we develops the same sentiments with the other members of the family, and so the we come to on a conclusions that man is a social animal. We has a interdependencies among the family members, uh, and also there is a interdependency of the different families or settlements or villages. So we need food, clothes, shelter, education, health and care, which are now considered as a basic needs of the human being. So there is a need for the other members who are going to work in this field. There comes the new basic need, that is the education and health facilities. So different institutions which are found in the society to give the education to the small childrens. Okay, so here this skill or different occupations are developed. So manufacturing, and other than this, the manufacturing, paper printing book binding, extra, these occupations also develop in the society. So here we will continue with this revision of the lesson number first. Okay, now we will stop here.